Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OnePlus Nord 4. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Following that, tap on Not Now in the pop-up or select OK right away. Either way, when you're ready, tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select Multiple Files to transfer. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then just point it at the code. Now wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!